Okay, this is the 8 gauge by 40 countersunk rib WINGTEK. You can see the countersunk head. You can see the little nibs under the head that help self-embed it, the head. Regular coarse thread. And on the tip it's got the self-drilling tip. And it's also got those wings. You see the little tab sticking out. Anyway, this one is 40 mils long, or approximately 1.5 inches long. And it's an 8 gauge. And I'm just going to show you how they work. So I just did a little hole there to get started. Okay, so what's happened is those little wings have actually drilled through the wood, and that self-drilling tip on the end is now going to drill through the steel. So I'm on some plywood. It's on top of a metal pallet beam, and so what you're going to see is that when it hits the metal, those wings will rip off, and the self-drilling tip will go straight through and pull that screw through. And that is the self-drilling WINGTEK. Pretty cool. So it drills through the wood with those little wings, hits the steel, drills through the steel with that drilling tip on the end. And that's just an example of one of the screws that we sell at GM Bolt. Thanks.